Hi, this is Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and today I'm going to show you how to toggle your text. Keep watching to find out how. Okay, so you've written a long paragraph where you've written a reply to someone and your punctuation's wrong, or you want it all to be in shouty uppercase, or maybe you've typed the whole lot and you've left your caps lock on. Now there's an easy way to toggle your text in Windows. Now I'm going to show you how to change normal text into uppercase, but in a lot of programs this key combination will actually toggle between the different stages. Now actually if you use it in Microsoft Word or Outlook or things like that, you can actually use the feature to toggle it between lowercase, uppercase and lowercase with punctuated first letters of each line. So if you've got a full stop, it'll start the next letter with a capital, which can be really handy if you're trying to send that resume or whatever it may be and you just want it to look perfect. So this is how to do it. Now I've got some text already in my clipboard, so I'm going to paste it into Wordpad. So that's Control V. And so we've got our text. Now this is the reply I was going to do, but actually I'm really fed up and I want to shout my reply. So all you need to do is highlight all of the text and press Shift and F3. And there we go, immediately you've shouted your entire reply. Now in Wordpad you can't actually untoggle it, but you can use the undo feature to obviously undo what you've done. But let's try that again now in Microsoft Outlook. Okay, so here is my email that I'm going to reply to Sam, and we're discussing some things to do for building a little PC, or a new PC for doing some video editing. So I've realised now I've typed it all and I've used no capitalisation in any of the text. So let's highlight the whole lot, and now we can do Shift and F3. So first of all, Shift and F3 will add the proper punctuation. So where it says Hi Sam in the top there, it's now changed the H to a capital, so that's all good. And also after the full stop where it says I'll assume, the capital I is there. But if I want to shout my reply, press Shift and F3 once again and it all goes uppercase. Now obviously if you want to change back in, Shift F3 once more and it sends it back to its original format. So I'm going to press it again to get it to how it should be, and now the email's ready to send. So there you go, there's been a quick way to toggle your text in Windows using the Shift and F3 key. I've been Mike, this is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and we'll catch you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.